The question says which of the following statements are true. Statement A says methane leads to both global warming and photochemical smog. Yes, it does. Methane does create global warming and photochemical smog. Methane is generated from paddy fields in the village. Yes. Methane is a stronger global warming gas than CO2. Now listen, what causes more global warming is CO2 than CH4. But CO2 is so abundant in nature that it has so much more quantity in nature than CH4. But in reality, CH4 is 40 times stronger greenhouse gas than CO2. So, and it has more heating effects. So CH4 causes more global warming than CO2, but its quantity in the nature is less. So this is a confusing statement, but statement C is true. Methane is a part of reducing smog. No, it is not. It is a part of photochemical smog. So therefore option A, B and C are the correct option.